Hey there guys, how's it going? All right, well, today we are going to be talking about the Hawaiian Breeze oscillating fan. Okay, well, first with the positive. Okay, this fan is it puts out a lot of nice, really strong, cool air. Okay, and that's what I bought it for. It's pretty slim, and you can like put it in the corner of your house or apartment, and it will fill the whole room with nice breeze. There are several different settings that you can choose from, all different levels. Strong, stronger, strongest, that kind of thing. Actually not turning and turning, oscillating. Yeah. It's supposed to be very quiet. I think you know where I'm going with this. I've only seen it, actually, I take that back. I've seen it in this white, and I've seen it in black, and they have variations of the same type of little air towers like this, And I've had this for a good, maybe, I'll say 4 years now, but I'll tell you why I don't use it that much. I use it, but not that often. I mean, besides it only being necessary, say, in the summertime when it gets really hot. For some reason, maybe after having it for probably maybe a half a year, I'll say maybe a little over a half a year, I'll say. Something happened to it, and all of a sudden, it started doing this when you turn it on. You hear that? How loud that is? And not only did it start doing that, it stopped rotating. It stopped going back and forth. I don't know why. See, this is the button you're supposed to push to make it go like this. It stopped doing that. And the only way that I could get this sound to stop is to, you have to jiggle it like this. And then it will stop. That really made me upset. I was like, oh man. I went and got this thing, and look what happened. It was fine for a while, but now look at this. But once even with the noise and you jiggling like that, like see right now, this is how quiet it is. It's pretty decent. I don't know what happened. I was reluctant to opening it up and seeing what was inside for the fear that I would just break it worse. But it feels like, sounds like there's something rubbing inside, and it did not fall. It didn't get wet or anything like that. Just one day, it just started like that. I don't know if anybody else has had that experience. I hope not. Yeah, that was very disappointing to me, because when it's like this and it's facing you, it gives really nice air, and it's very quiet. It's not going to annoy you while, say, you're trying to rest or something. You could have this on while you're sleeping, But I want it to flow back and forth throughout the room, making breeze all through the room. That's what I got it for, But, well, I was, needless to say, very disappointed that happened. But for the time it was working well, oscillating, staying quiet like this, I was very happy with it. And I hope this is an isolated incident, and that it didn't happen to everybody who bought these. But like I said, even though it had that problem, it feels good. I mean, it almost feels like there's an air conditioner coming out of there. I mean, it's really cool air coming out. I mean, really, it does feel that way. I'm not sure how it works like that, but it does. It was very disappointing. But hey, you know, it is what it is. These are not cheap either. So, yeah, disappointment. But like I said, I still use it. I just have to jiggle it every now and then when I want to, you know, turn the noise off. And it's not like once you jiggle it and turn the noise off, it doesn't come back unless you move it again. So, I mean, that's just mine. So, I mean, that's what I do. Jiggle it and then it just stays quiet. I don't touch it other than just to go turn it off and then I'm good. Well, yeah. Very disappointing, but it is what it is. Yeah. And it seems like it's just a little over 2 feet tall. It's good. I mean, as far as the air quality. Okay, well, I hope you use this information. This is the Hawaiian Breeze oscillating standing fan. All right, hope you guys use this information. I'll talk to you again soon. All right, bye-bye.